Hey guys, welcome back to Dorothy's Best Day. Today we are trying some Japanese snacks this time.
Yeah, this time.
Lots of sweet things. What we're going to do is choose them at random.
Yeah.
So we're going to do rock, paper, scissors. And without looking, whoever won is going to pick one randomly for the person who lost.
Yeah.
And they've got to try it without really knowing what it is.
And then after we might see what it is.
Yeah. Shall we do the first one now?
Yes!
Can't wait.
Can't wait.
Some tasty ones in there.
Yeah. Tasty sweet. Right.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors. I'll put that over there.
Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh,
Yes.
shall we choose the scissors first?
So.
Okay. Oh wait. Yeah, you got to pick one for me.
I think this. So, Daddy, here you go.
Mm.
We'll open it and have to eat it.
It's in the bottle.
In the bowl.
I've dropped it. I think it's sherbet. It's weird. I feel a bit like I'm eating strawberry sand. Got a weird texture to it.
Let me taste it.
What do you
I
think?
think I have to taste the bowl in a different flavour.
It's like a hard sherbet.
Mm.
Sherbet.
Wonder if it's for something to make.
Mm.
Something like you make it with something.
Right, shall I choose one randomly for you now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so scared.
Oh. We got this. Pink. Let's go
I think we might need to put it in some water.
I've had some earlier.
We had some earlier. Right.
It's tough to open.
Right, let me pour it in.
Okay, I've got me.
Oh.
I don't know how much to put in there. Just put a good amount, shall we? Get some pour me.
This is like
Now this is still water, not fizzy water, so it's going to be a still. Oh my lord!
oh, it's dripping.
Oh, it's fizzing up.
Oh,
Are you ready?
no, I'm scared.
With some magic, we have something to stir it with.
No, I'm so
Oh,
scared.
it's fizzy. I'm guessing it's just going to be like cola.
Yeah, it smells like cola, like my mister.
Oh yeah, it smells like cola bottles.
Cola, yeah. Mmm. Taste it.
Yeah.
Not that bad, actually.
Yeah, it tastes like flat Coke.
Yeah, flat Coke.
Imagine if you put that in some fizzy water, it would just taste like fizzy Coke. I guess.
Yeah, I guess. So now,
Stick that to the side.
so on
Okay.
the next round.
Straight on to the next one.
Next one. So
Rock,
we're going
paper,
to do
scissors.
rock,
You
paper,
go
scissors.
choose first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, you win again.
Yes. So, right. Then I pick one. This way I get one out of it. This.
Oh no.
This. I feel like a bad feeling for these.
What do you think it's going to be?
Fish sticks. There's fish.
Yes.
Fish sticks.
Okay.
You have to try it, Daddy. I have to taste too. Because all of both of us has a taste. But first, the one who lose gets to taste first.
They look like
Take one.
they're quite soft. Smells like fish food.
I don't like the smell of fish.
Right.
I know it's going to be a taste of fish.
Cut.
Blech.
Very, very chewy.
If it tastes like fish, this is not. I'm not having it.
No?
I hate
It doesn't
fish.
taste like fish. It tastes like you're eating chips.
No, I don't like that. Thumbs down for me. Blech.
Yeah.
Don't like it.
I feel like I'm eating fish food. Yeah, that's gross.
I need to go spit out.
These are
Ew.
very gross.
I'm back.
I can't even find them on here.
So gross, I had to spit it out. Blech.
Wow, this is made from surumi, which is grinded fish paste.
Ugh. No.
I think I'll give a pass on that one.
Yeah, give it a pass. Next
And we're back.
round.
After some drink. Because that flavour stayed in your mouth.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to random choose one for
I
you.
spit it.
We're going to have this one.
Okay.
Stick that over there.
That. I want to see what it looks like. I want to see what it looks like.
This one.
Feels like there's no sticks to it. Let me open it. Oh, this is what it looks like inside. Look at a big crispy lollipop.
Big crisp lollipop. Does look like big crisp.
The taste, the bits on it taste nice.
Take a big bite.
Yeah, I like it.
You like it?
Like it.
That's actually really nice. Tastes like a giant beef what's it.
Yeah, what's it?
Gonna back it?
Let's look at
It
this.
looked like it was going to be shrimp. It just tastes like beef. We have round 3.
Round 3.
Do you like that one, didn't you?
Yeah.
I like that one. I did not like the fish.
I did not like the fish.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah!
You said what?
You
1,
said
2,
1, 2.
3.
I said 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
You said 1, 2, 3.
No, I said 1, 2, 3. I said rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Let's go again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Oh.
I'm going to choose one for you.
I don't even know
Let's go deep. What's this one?
You say it's the one that I really want.
I have no idea what this is.
Give it to me. I want to see what it is. Feels like crisps.
Feels like crisps.
Feels like crisps.
I think it's either going to be little crisps or it's going to be maybe little sweets. Oh, it does look like crisps.
Yeah, they do. Does look like crisps.
That's what they look like.
Yeah.
No idea what flavour they are.
They're yummy.
Very crunchy.
Yeah, crunchy too. Yummy, yummy.
They're like crunchy corn snacks.
I don't know. I just hate these. I'll just put them. Yeah.
I'm not sure I choose to eat or buy them.
No. No.
Very crunchy. Yeah, corn chips. No wait,
Corn chips.
that's the wrong one. Rice crackers. Oh.
Nice crackers.
Yeah.
Like it. Right, let's go.
Cat, will you choose one for me here?
I just think this is the one I really want to try. But Daddy gets to try it first.
Just quick,
This.
before we move on to that one. Do you get a thumbs up or a thumbs down for the rice crackers?
Yeah, I would put it like both.
And you kind of.
Thumbs up and thumbs
I'm giving
down.
it thumbs down.
I'll put
I don't really
both.
like rice crackers myself.
Both have a D. There's yours.
Oh, okay.
I want to open it.
What
I
are they?
don't know.
I think you gotta pop them out the back of the foil.
Yeah. So here's your yellow one.
There one.
And I have.
Looks a bit like a Smartie.
Yeah, there's like Smarties, but with nothing on them.
It's got chocolate in the middle.
It might be Smarties.
Like little Smarties.
Yeah, them are Smarties.
And a little alligator.
Hold on.
Let's see what it says. Yeah.
The
And more chocolate. And a little blister pack.
I like it really. Another one. You like another one? No, yummy.
Yeah, we'll save that last one. It flew out of the packet.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Thanks.
Yeah, I'll give that a thumbs up because I had Smiley's before and Smiley's are my favourite.
Chocolate in the middle.
I forget the taste, but now I remember the taste. So now, what paper scissors?
No, that was the last one.
Yeah, what paper scissors do?
So, no, that was it. That was it.
What?
We've tried 6 of them. We're going to save the rest for another video. Yeah.
Oh.
I know. Some of them nice. Which one do you think was your favourite?
I don't know the Smarties.
Yeah, I get chocolate.
Oh.
My favourite one.
Where are they
Yeah,
all?
I would probably say that alligator one as well. I think so. Ty, what was your worst one?
The fish.
Definitely the fish sticks. These ones, especially if you like fish, you'd probably enjoy it, but not a big fan on fish, especially fish snacks. They don't smell great. They do smell like fish food. That's all I can think of right now.
Yeah. I had the smell of the fish.
Right. So, we've had our 6 for this video. We're going to save the rest for another video that we're asking if any of our family and friends want to come and do it with us. Then drop me a message and you could be in the next video to try some more Japanese snacks with Dorothy. So, thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then give us a big thumbs up. Boom, boom.
And subscribe.
Subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our other videos.
9.
And we will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.